Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, nandito ulit tayo sa Victoria Island kasi may titingnan kami yung property, not for my client but for ourselves. Day trip lang ito guys, so apat ulit kami na nag-travel. Kaninang umaga, umalis kami ng 7:30 in the morning. Tapos ako yung nag-drive kasi si James ay medyo hindi pa siya masyadong gising kaninang umaga. Kasi sa umaga talaga si James, kailangan niya ng maraming kape bago siya makapag-drive. So ako yung nag-drive for 1.5 hours papunta sa ferry. Ngayon pa lang ako kakain ng breakfast kasi nakahinto na kami. Kanina kasi nagda-drive ako so I can't really eat.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, we arrive here at 9:05. Ang aming ferry ay 10:15. So we had to buy breakfast on our way here. And I need to concentrate on driving. That's why hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina. We left the house at 7:30 and 1.5 hours kami nakarating dito. We're just waiting for our ferry to arrive and then sasakay na kami papasok. Entering the ferry, guys. Si James na yung nagda-drive kasi dito sa ferry medyo masikip. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, siya na lang mag-drive kasi baka mamaya magkamali pa ako. Sobrang sikip para magkasya lahat ng mga sasakyan. You see, sobrang sikip. We're leaving. And playground kaagad yung inuna ng mga kids.
Yeah, what else do you see outside? See more houses?
It's raining bad. Ferry ride namin ay 2 hours, tapos papunta dun sa property ay 1 hour mula dun sa ferry. So travel time pa lang namin papunta ay 4.5 hours. Tapos doon sa bahay na yon, nakaschedule kami for 1 hour na viewing and then babalik kami right away after that. So talagang mabilisan lang guys, at saka isang property lang yung titingnan namin. It's raining so bad right now. Daan muna kami dito sa McDonald's kasi bibili kami ng lunch. And then si Jamie at James andun. Nung pumunta kami dito last time, napag-usapan namin ni James na sana in the future magkaroon kami ng waterfront properties. Tapos nung bago-bago pa lang kami ni James, napag-uusapan namin yung bagay na gusto namin. So sabi niya in the future gusto daw niya mayroon kaming Airbnb. Nung nag-realtor na ako, lagi akong tumitingin ng mga waterfront properties, kaya lang sobrang mamahal niya, lalo na doon sa malapit sa Vancouver. At doon guys, ang mga presyo niya ay nasa $1 million, $2 million, ganon. So hindi talaga namin afford. And then nung pumunta kami dito, may mga nakita akong property na binibenta na waterfront. Sabi ko siguro mas mura dito. And then nag-explore ako and nakita ko itong property na ito. And wala pa siyang 1 million. So titingnan namin kung mag-upusahan namin and let's see what's gonna happen. Tahimik siya at peaceful dito. Walang masyadong neighborhood, walang masyadong mga bahay, pang retirement. This is the one.
What's that?
This is the house. We are going to the main level. So ito siya. Yan ang kitchen. Renovated siya. Ang ganda. Tapos, ito ang view. Nakikita niyo yun? Nakikita niyo yung lake? Ayan lang yung lake. Ayan. Ayan siya. As in, ayan. Ayan ang lake. There you go. That's the lake over there, right? And then this is the room. Okay. Ayan, kitang-kita talaga yung lake dito. Ayan o. And then, ang washroom. The washroom in the middle. And this is the other room. And then, hindi natin ipapakita yung sa baba kasi yung sa baba mayroong renter ngayon. The top is the main house. Mayroong 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. And then sa baba ay mayroong basement na may sariling kitchen din. So pwede siyang paupahan. And then meron siyang 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And sariling entrance niya. And then merong hot tub dito. And this one is the cabin. So mayroon din niyang kitchen, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And pwede siyang ipa-Airbnb. And then this is the yard. Ang yard niya sobrang laki. This is 14,000 square feet. And hanggang dun siya sa tapat ng red na bahay. Siya. So sobrang laki niya. Tapos ito yung Airbnb. Mayroon siyang sariling yard din. And then lakarin natin itong napakalaking yard niya. So ayan yung main house. Tapos ayan yung cabin. And then ito yung yard. So this one is a parking for 12. And then yun, pwede siyang parkingan ng boat. Tsaka ang dami niyang outbuildings. Yan. Ang laki niya. Ang laki niya. Pwede kang maglagay ng pool dito. Ambisyosa, no? So yun yung listing agent. Yung naka-checkered na red. I'm standing on the balcony and the view is this mountain and yung lake. Diba? Ang galing. This is perfect for partying. Yan, mag-relax dito. Ayun ang lake. Sa kami ng bahay, we saw elk. Sa kami guys, nakita namin itong elk. Grabe.
There's one in someone's yard at the back.
Yeah. So many elks.
I see
6 of them. Yeah, I see 6 of them too.
7.
7? Oh, there's so
Yeah,
many.
there's some up in the back there. There's 9. I
Oh,
think.
wow.
One on
In
the
somebody's
wall.
property, there's so many.
Yeah, so many.
Oh, wow, I haven't seen something like this before.
I think they're coming this way.
Oh, look at somebody's yard. Oh my gosh, look at this elk.
So many elk.
Oh my. We're driving so we can see them closer.
It's
Hi.
only on Jamie's side. Can we block them?
Can we block that?
Can we block them?
No, we're not gonna
Here.
block.
Oh wow. What? So many here.
Elk. I think they're looking for an
Wow. And dito kami ngayon sa park. Merong sapa dito. Yan. And then merong playground. And ayun lang yung lake. 1 minute away lang ito from the house. This is the lake. Ang daming elk dito.
I think that's
Look at this. This elk is a male one because of the antlers.
because they're playing at the playground.
Oh my gosh, they're running towards the road. So ito yung public access. And then dito ako dumaan. As in 30-minute walk lang galing doon sa bahay. Ayun yung red na house, 'di ba? So ito yung red na house. Tapos ito naman yung house na tinitingnan natin kanina. Hey guys, we are on our way back after namin makakita ng mga 25 to 30 na elk. As in, grabe, na-amaze talaga kami. Okay, so time to comment. Do you like it, love?
I do. It's a nice place. And we were talking about this before, and I think that if we were to retire here and run the cottage as an Airbnb, that would probably work.
So I don't think we're gonna get it, even though it's priced a little bit cheaper than most of the waterfront homes. At least we saw it and we don't have regrets, and the kids had fun looking at the place, and we saw a lot of elks.
We saw a gray whale.
A gray whale, yeah. And nakakita kami ng whale kanina nung nasa ferry kami. There's a nice golf course though for James. Any cows.
Yeah, eating grass.
Welcome to Duke Point. Kami sa terminal. We're just waiting for our ferry. I think it's the same ferry that we had earlier. Naiwan ako mag-isa dito sa sasakyan while the kids and James are at the playground kasi baka mamaya kailangan kong i-drive itong sasakyan papunta doon. Anyways, habang papunta kami ni James dito kanina, mula doon sa bahay na tinignan namin, we were talking about the property. And talagang nung una nagustuhan namin siya, nung nakita namin siya sa picture nagustuhan namin siya. And hindi kami magta-travel ng a total of 9 hours driving. Tapos ferry pa. It's worth it siya talaga napuntahan. Tapos bago kami pumunta dito, nagpa-pre-approve na rin kami dun sa aming mortgage broker. So okay na rin yung financing sana namin. Kung nagustuhan namin siya, talagang bibilhin namin. Pero may mga bagay kasi kaming kino-consider to buy this property. So hindi ko na siya babanggitin dito sa video kasi as a realtor, I cannot really disclose a lot of information kung ano yung ayaw ko kasi yung ayaw ko baka gusto ng iba. It's my personal preference. So other people would probably like the property, pero sa amin hindi siya kasi personal preference siya. Pero maganda talaga yung property, malaki. I think if we are in a different situation, bibilhin namin yung property, pero right now I think it's not a good time for us. But this morning I actually woke up really early para i-prepare yung aming offer kasi sabi namin talaga pag nagustuhan namin, mag-o-offer kami tonight. Pero yun na nga, hindi matutuloy. So right now, we are back to zero in finding the perfect property for us. It's either rental, or for our retirement, or for our next home. Ayun yung mga gusto kong waterfront na property. Sabay ganun na. Ayun, so we are here na sa ferry. Ayan, nasa unahan kami ng boat. Maaga kaming makakalabas mamaya. Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching the video of my family. You know me as Rax Kelly on YouTube, but my real name is Raquel Naraway, and I am a licensed realtor here in British Columbia, Canada. So, if you, your family or friends are looking to invest, buy, or sell homes here in BC, please give me a call at 778-883-2202. Again, my name is Raquel Naraway, your way to your new home.